Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds SOUNDCORE R50i. And the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And at the back side of the charging case we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. And we can see this LED light in the front side, so it means that it's charging. Also, we can use a phone to charge these earbuds, and all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one to USB-C port, the back side of the charging case. Again, this LED light, so it also works. The last one what we can do is to charge with USB-A cable, and let's say we can charge it from the PC. And all you need to have just USB-A to USB-C cable. Connect USB-A cable to your PC or another device with USB-A port, and USB-C cable, yes, at the back side of the charging case. Again, this LED light, so it also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!